Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I would like to review for you the Cuisinart smokeless contact griddle that I got for my family. I've been using it for a week now and I can tell you I'm just in love with it. It's a really easy grill to use and you can do anything you want, like steaks, burgers, vegetables, pancakes, anything you like. Oops, sorry. So it has a stainless steel top cover, also a stainless steel handle. Has two removable and reversible cooking plates. They are non-stick and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. So the grill side is perfect for grilling steak, burgers, chicken, and vegetables. The griddle side is you can prepare pancakes, eggs, bacon, anything you want. It has a control panel over here that's really easy to use. I would say pretty simple. Just turn it on. Has a couple of buttons. Also has on the side here has a drip tray to collect the grease. Okay. Also has a cleaning tool somewhere. It's just an easy cleaning tool. Yeah, as I said, it's pretty easy to use. If you wanna, so this is the grill side. If you wanna use the griddle, you just press this button on the side, remove the plate like this, flip it over, and click. That's it. It's like pretty easy to switch. Okay. And again. There you go. So let's turn it on. Let's see over here. Yeah, as you can see the screen. So you can choose between like beef, pork, poultry, fish, anything you want from here. So it's just kind of like go up and down on the bottom. Also you can change the temperature here. You can go up and down again. And here it says smokeless. So we just click upper, lower. So pretty much you just choose the temperature that you want to cook. Okay, check, I'll put 350, right? Okay. And now it says it's preheating and you just have to wait, close it up. There you go. And it's about, I'll say, 3 minutes until it's warming up. And you'll hear a beeping sound when it's done, when it's ready to use. As you can see, it's still warming. Here's the tool I was talking about, the cleaning and scrubbing tool. So after you finish cooking, you just kind of like clean. It's an easy tool to use and it's useful, I'll say. Also, you can extend this thing all the way back. Like you can make it like this, or you can do it like that. Yeah. And if you press over here this button, it's kind of difficult. Okay. You can put it all the way back, so it's kind of like flat now if you want to cook on two surfaces in the same time. So it's kind of like flat. And again, if you need it, you just press this button over here and put it back. Also has a foot extension. It's right here on the bottom, kind of like that. So this one will help you to, like, kind of like if you have excess of grease, will just like make it easier to go, let's say. Okay, so again, the only thing I don't like, let's say, this part, it's getting pretty hot, so you have to be really careful when you use it, because you can burn yourself. I'm telling you. I mean, the handle, it's good, it's not getting hot, but this part, the top cover, it's getting really hot. And as I said, it's been already like 2 minutes and it's still warming up. It's kind of like I said, a few minutes until it's getting ready. And I made myself a sandwich here. I will show you how beautiful it's cooking. Let's just wait. So here is the beeping sound I was talking about. So it takes about 5 minutes to heat up to 350 degrees. Okay, so I got my sandwich here. Put it on. And just, okay, there you go. And again, for cooking takes, let's say, depending on whatever you're making. This one is just a chicken sandwich, and I want it like, you know, just warm it up and a little bit to cook, and it'll be about like 2 minutes, let's say. Yesterday I made some beef, some steak, and I cooked it about 4 minutes and was like perfectly done. So again, depends what you want to use it for, what you want to make. Okay, so my sandwich is almost done. It's been like a minute or so, and as you can see, it's really nice and brown. If you want it more cooked, you can just leave it more, but for me it's just perfect this way. And again, be careful with the hot surface because it's really hot. And there you go. Nice. Yeah. When you're done, just easy turn it off and be careful again because it takes a while to cool down. I mean, yeah, I just want to say about the so as I said, you have up and down buttons here to choose the temperature, right? To increase or decrease temperature, and also here you have the options, right? So you can choose upper or lower, and also has a timer here. One second. Upper, lower. Anyways, it's here somewhere. I cannot find it right now. So as I said, you can choose between beef, pork, poultry, fish. Okay. Yeah, so here is the timer. You can choose like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, whatever. And when you choose your temperature, just press check button and it says start to count. It says 4 minutes until the fish will be done, because that's why I put fish. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty easy to use. As I said, I love it. Maybe if you think to buy it, I think it's a good choice. I got it from Best Buy, and yeah, it's a really handy thing to have in your house. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.